logical operators and the range operator. We are using a for each loop to process the lines of the BioNet file stored in the rebase file array. Within that loop, to skip the header lines, a new feature of Perl called the range operator, that is 2 dots, is used, like within brackets 1 double dot slash Rich Roberts slash and next. This has the effect of skipping everything from the first line up to and including the line with Rich Roberts, in other words the header lines. Please note that the range operators must have at least one of their endpoints given as a number to work like this. The AND function is a logical operator. Logical operators are available in most of the programming languages. In Perl also, they have become very popular. These operators are used to check the conditions to make some decisions. Logical operator AND can test if two conditions are both true. For instance, if $string equals DNA and $num equals 3, the statements. The entire statement is true only if both the conditions are true. Similarly, we can check if at least one of the conditions is true using the logical operator OR, as in this statement. If $string equals DNA or $num equals 3, the statements. Here, the if statement is true if either or both of the conditions are true. There is also the NOT logical operator, a negation operator with which it is possible to test if something is false. If not 6 equal to 9, the statements. 6 equals 9 returns false, which is negated by the NOT operator. So, the entire condition returns true. There are also the closely related operators, ampersands for AND, pipe symbols for OR and exclamation for NOT. These have slightly different behavior in precedence, but both are common. To specify the precedence explicitly, we can parenthesize expressions to ensure our statement means what we intend it to mean. Logical operators also have an order of evaluation which makes them useful for controlling the flow of programs. Now, let us have a look at how the operator evaluates its two arguments. It first evaluates the left argument, and if it is true, evaluates and returns the right. If the left argument evaluates to false, the right argument is never touched. So, the AND operator can act like a mini if statement. For instance, the following two examples are equivalent. The first one is if $verify print $verified message, and the other verify and print $verified message. We can find that the if statement is more flexible because it allows to easily add more statements to the block and else if and else conditions to their own blocks. But for simple situations, the AND operator works well. It is also possible to chain logical operators one after the other to build up more complicated expressions and use parentheses to group them. The logical operator OR evaluates and returns the left argument if it is true. If the left argument does not evaluate to true, the OR operator then evaluates and returns the right argument. Consider a statement written like open my file $file or print I cannot open file $file. This is basically equivalent to the common statement unless open my file $file print I cannot open file, then exit. Here we just go back and take a look at the past rebase subroutine with the line within brackets 1 double dot within regular expression Rich Roberts and next. The left argument is the range 1 Rich Roberts. When we are in that range of lines, the range operator returns a true value. Because it is true, the AND operator goes on to see if the value on the other side is true and finds the next function, which evaluates to true, even as it takes back to the next iteration of the enclosing for each loop. So, if it is between the first line and the Rich Roberts line, we skip the rest of the loop. Similarly, the line with the regular expression caret is $, and next. Takes back to the next iteration of the for each if the left argument which attaches a blank line is true. The other parts of this parse rebase subroutine have already been discussed during the design phase.